some company.
Mm-hmm.
So I have started in 2014. Before that, I am working with some company. It's some real estate company only. I have started my work on 2014. From that day, I have started with initial projects like builder floors, high-rise apartments, floors, villas, but all are undergoing. So we are expecting good bookings at that time. But nowadays, uh, customer don't have trust on undergoing projects. Requirement for ready to move in property is higher than that.
Great. So we understand that in today's times, it's difficult for us to step out with our whole family and go for a site visit. So at housing.com, our mission is to make sure that the home buying process is easier than ever before. With the help of in-house technologies, we've made possible that you could be in the comfort of your home and you could do a virtual site visit at just the click of a button. So what
Yes.
we're going to see today is a property which is a 4 BHK independent builder floor in South City 2, Sector 49. I'm going to share the screen and Mr. Arjun would be explaining the whole property to us. Let's take this virtual tour now. Yeah, so this is what the main entrance looks like. Mr. Arjun, I would really appreciate if you could just take our viewers through this whole house.
Yes.
I'm going to be entering the place now.
Sir, please start from the beginning.
Sure.
Sir, this is main entrance.
Mm-hmm.
Double door entrance and very huge 8 feet entrance.
Okay.
Adjoining to lift.
Great.
Lift area and stairs area.
Great.
Okay.
I'll slowly move inside the house.
Yes, sir, please. When we are entering, we are landing in dining area.
Mm-hmm.
This whole area is dining area.
Yeah.
Okay,
अर्जुन,
sir.
आप इसके साइज के बारे में जो फ्लोरिंग है, फिनिशिंग है, फिक्सचर्स जो लगे हुए आ रहे हैं, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
सर, इसमें क्या है, ये 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड बिल्डर फ्लोर है साउथ सिटी 2 में. इसमें फ्लोरिंग में जो है सारा इटालियन मार्बल है.
ग्रेट.
लाइटिंग्स में फैंसी शैंडलर्स है सारे. डिजाइनर लाइट्स आपको फॉल सीलिंग में दिख रही है सारा. इसके साथ साथ विंडोज में यूपीवीसी टफ एंड ग्लास विंडोज है.
ग्रेट.
और जो एंट्रेंस गेट है ये भी बहुत ह्यूज है, जो कि एक फ्लैट और एक फ्लोर की एंट्रेंस को एक रॉयल लुक देता है.
एब्सोल्युटली, आई कैन सी दैट.
जो भी आप ये एंट्री गेट्स, ये सारी चौखटें जो भी लगी हुई है, ये सारा देखेंगे तो काफी ह्यूज और हैवी वर्क हो रखा है, वुडन वर्क.
ट्रू 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 ट्रू. दैट कैन बी.
ये एक हर बिल्डर फ्लोर एक थीम के साथ बनता है, तो ये थीम इसमें एक ह्यूज वुडन लुक जो दे रखी है, एक रॉयल थीम है सर.
ग्रेट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेडरूम्स.
ये फर्स्ट बेडरूम है सर, जो कि बैक साइड में है.
ओके.
अभी हम जो एंटर किए बैक साइड में है. बेडरूम का जो साइज है ये होगा 15 बाय 14 अप्रोक्स.
ओके.
एक्सक्लूसिव वॉशरूम एरिया एंड क्लोजेट एरिया.
ग्रेट. सो इसके साथ एक बालकनी भी अटैच्ड है, जैसा मैं देख पा रहा हूँ.
ये बैक बालकनी है सर. रनिंग बालकनी है जो कि दोनों बेडरूम्स और के साथ जॉइनिंग है.
ग्रेट.
बैक बालकनी पे गीजर इंस्टॉल हो सकता है और आपके एसी यूनिट्स इंस्टॉल होती है. सेकंड, आपकी वॉशिंग मशीन एरिया भी इसी एरिया में बन जाता है.
तो जैसा मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ, इस बालकनी को हम यूटिलिटी स्पेस की तरह भी यूज कर पा रहे हैं.
यूटिलिटी स्पेस की तरह भी यूज कर पाएंगे.
ग्रेट. जैसा आप कह रहे थे, देयर इज अ ड्रेसिंग स्पेस एक्सक्लूसिवली विद द बेडरूम, सो हम वहां आ गए हैं अभी.
यस सर. ड्रेसर एरिया है, ये मिलता हुआ है सर वॉशरूम से, जॉइनिंग टू वॉशरूम.
ग्रेट.
ये फर्स्ट बेडरूम कंप्लीट हो जाता है. बेडरूम, ड्रेसर एंड वॉशरूम विद बालकनी.
नाइस। तो जैसा मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, अगर हम यहाँ से बाहर निकलते हैं तो हम वापस से अपने बेडरूम में आ जाते हैं।
Yes.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट। सो इसका साइज आपने क्या बताया था इस बेडरूम का?
Sir, 15 by 16.
एंड हाउ वाइड एंड लॉन्ग इज द बालकनी, जो हम बैक साइड वाली बालकनी देख रहे हैं जिसको हम यूटिलिटी
Sir, wide is 6 feet wide and approx 48 to 50 feet running balcony.
Nice. So it runs all across the floor, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes,
Great, great. So this is the attached bathroom with the bedroom, जिसके साथ आपका dress-up area भी connected है.
yes, sir.
इसके बारे में आप साइज, इसमें क्या फिक्सचर्स, क्या फिटिंग्स, क्या फ्लोरिंग आ रही है, कुछ
Sir,
बताना?
all fittings are Jaguar and Kohler
Wow, great.
with 10-year warranty.
Mhm.
And tile work और जो designer tiles आप देख रहे हो up to the wall, ये सारी finished हो रखी है सर.
Mhm. Yeah, we can see that.
बीच में ग्लास पार्टीशन रहेगा सर, जो कि वॉशर और एरिया को डिवाइड करेगा.
Okay. Shower area and washroom area, is it?
Yes.
Great. And this is the path that goes to the dress-up area and then it continues to the bedroom, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
तो हम ये वॉशरूम में हैं. मैं ऑडियंस से कहना चाहूंगा, हम अभी वॉशरूम में हैं जो पहले बेडरूम के साथ कनेक्टेड है. विद दैट वी हैव द ड्रेसअप एरिया. सो वंस वी गो इनटू द ड्रेसअप एरिया, दिस इज हाउ द ड्रेसअप एरिया लुक्स लाइक, एंड देन दिस ओपन्स इनटू द बेडरूम फर्दर.
Yes.
Great. Meanwhile, when we are taking the tour of this house, if you have any questions, any doubts in your mind, I would really appreciate all our viewers to please put those questions in the chat box or in the question and answer box. Once we are done with this property tour, I would be more than happy to take those questions up. And we have Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates with us, who would be more than happy to answer all the queries that you have regarding this builder floor that we are looking at, which is 4 BHK, located in South City 2, Sector 49. So now let's move to the second bedroom, Mr. Lohia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, second bedroom flooring is or wooden flooring.
Okay.
We have closet in 2 bedrooms. In this bedroom, we have separate wardrobe.
Great, I can see that.
Oh, yes. Fall ceiling work is complete. All switches are of high quality fans, high quality designer fans.
Great.
Yes.
So the balcony, it's quite spacious. What is the size of this bedroom, Mr. Lohia?
Sir, this is second bedroom. Size of this is 17 by 14.
Great. And we have that same balcony extending to this also. So the French window, which is visible, if we go out, we get to the balcony which is attached.
Yes. Soundproof windows, with toughened glasses.
Great. So as we can see, the bedroom is quite spacious and well lit with again that running balcony which is attached with the help of French windows. We have false ceilings, all the lights, fans are fitted, and this room has a separate wardrobe, as you can see, with wooden flooring.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move to the attached bathroom with this bedroom now.
The shower area is separated with glass. Again, all fittings are Jaguar. Vanity area.
So in the bathrooms, Mr. Arjun, anything else that we can expect besides these basic bath fittings? The shower cubicle is separated, as you already mentioned. We have Jaguar and Kohler fittings given. Anything else? Any other electrical appliances that you are providing?
Anything is like geyser. We can work on that according to client requirement.
Okay.
If client need, we can work on geyser also.
Great. Thank you so much. And what is the size of this second bathroom which is attached to the bedroom?
Is 7 by 6.
Okay. And there's complete tile work from bottom to top, as you all
From
can
bottom to top, again, like we have seen.
Yeah. Let's move to the third bedroom now.
Yes. This is third bedroom
Mm-hmm.
in center of the whole floor.
Okay.
When you enter into the floor, this is in front bedroom.
Absolutely fine.
Yes, with wooden flooring, one
Mm-hmm.
small balcony.
Which is here, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, great. So this
And
has a separate balcony.
this is balcony, and that area is open to sky.
Nice.
Yeah.
Again, making the bedroom very well lit and ventilated. And plus
Yeah.
the size, obviously, if you could tell us about the size, looks quite spacious though to me.
Yes, yes. It's again 17 by 14.
Great. So all the bedrooms are roughly close to 250 square feet, if I'm not wrong. And they're quite big and spacious.
Yes. Yeah, close to 220 to
220 to
30.
30 square feet,
230.
absolutely. Which is very rare. Normally bedroom sizes are compromised with most of the builder floors, but here the bedroom sizes are quite spacious, and all the bedrooms are equally spacious. Not that the master bedroom is bigger or the other bedrooms are small. And I
Yes.
can see there's enough cabinet space also here.
All are very good done up with different styles.
Absolutely.
In two bedrooms we have wooden.
Yeah, yeah,
In
yeah.
two bedrooms we have tiles.
Got
According
it.
to client requirement, we are fulfilling all designs, all requirements.
So I would like to share with the viewers once again that there are 4 bedrooms in this independent 4 BHK floor, which is in South City 2, Sector 49. 2 bedrooms, we've seen 3 bedrooms so far, out of which one was with tile flooring, the other 2 are wooden flooring. Now we will move to the 4th bedroom. But before that, let's see the attached bathroom with the 3rd bedroom.
Yes. Same design and tile works.
So again, there is tile work from bottom to top. There are Jaguar and Kohler fittings as mentioned by Mr. Lohia.
Yes.
And that's how we
विराट
move
सर
back to
विराट
yeah,
सर ये वॉल ये वुडन डोर्स आप जो देख रहे हो ना सर, ये सेल्टोस एक बहुत हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट है जो कि वीनियर में आता है.
great.
सेल्टोस ये सेम, और ये जो डिजाइन है ये आप बहुत रेयर देखेंगे बिल्डर फ्लोर्स में.
Great. So the quality of the woodwork, the quality of bath fittings, electric fittings is all high-end quality is what we can
Yes.
sense, and then what we are witnessing right now.
Yes.
So we've seen the 3rd bedroom also. Let's move to the living room from here.
This is living area with Italian marble, front balcony, one designer wall with wallpaper or any wooden design.
So is this customizable? Yeah,
This
is
is
it
customizable.
okay? Great, great. So which will be provided from your side, if I'm not wrong?
Yes. Design according to client, and we will do according to client.
It'll be included in the package though.
Yes.
Okay, great, great. So as we can see, the false ceiling is done here as well with LED lightings in the coves. Plus
Yes.
these chandeliers and fans also are fitted in the house. And
Yes.
one complete wall will be designed for you from Paramount Associates.
Yes.
It's,
This is puja area.
Yeah, yeah. I'm coming to that.
Okay.
Please, yeah, you may talk about it.
So this is puja area. Close to kitchen. This is right side is kitchen entrance and left one is puja area.
Absolutely fine. So the dining space has the puja area on one side, and then when we move to the right, we see the kitchen, and the dining area extends towards the left into the living room, which we just saw. Let's take a look at the balcony in the living room once before we move ahead. So this is what the living room looks like with this French window, and there's a balcony that it extends to. If we go back, we'll move to the dining area, which has kitchen on the right and a puja area on the left. Let's move to the kitchen, Mr. Lohia, now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So complete woodwork in kitchen with chimney and hob, fully modular kitchen we are giving.
Great, great. So what all, when you say modular kitchen, let me just take the camera towards the shelves so that we understand it better. So where is the exhaust going to come up? Will that be installed from your side, or how is it?
No, exhaust from our side. For geysers, we will talk according to our client.
Okay, okay.
And chimney and hob we are giving. This is wet area.
Okay.
This is separated from dry area.
So this side is the dry area, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes, yes.
Great.
This is landing area. We have breakfast, or we can serve from here.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's an open kitchen. So
Open kitchen concept.
So this is the dining area that we all see from here. When we enter, this part is the dry area. Any other appliances that our clients can expect, which would come installed pre-fitted in the kitchen, like an RO?
Microwave, oven, RO, dishwasher. We have space for everything.
Okay.
When in kitchen, but we have to work according to our client's requirement.
Absolutely.
Someone's have their own.
True.
Some
True.
want new, so we can work on that.
So there is space for everything to be accommodated, like mentioned by Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates with us, who is taking us through the entire 4 BHK builder floor, which is located in South City 2, Sector 49. If you have any questions while we are taking this tour, if you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions in the chat box or the question answer box. Once we are done with this tour, I would be more than happy to announce the questions. And we have Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates who has joined with us, who would be more than happy to answer all your queries. So would really appreciate, have some patience. Once we are done with this tour, we will take up all the questions that you have. Please feel free to drop those questions in the chat box or in the question answer box, which would be taken up soon after this virtual site visit that we are doing.
This is a door towards balcony from kitchen.
So this is the same running balcony which we saw along with the bedrooms, is it?
No. That one is back side. This one is
this is the front side balcony. Absolutely.
Front side balcony.
Looks quite amazing. It has, again, all the rooms that I've noticed are very well lit, very well ventilated. There is a balcony attached to almost every space in the house, making it, even more lucrative as a place to decide on.
Sir, this is the only reason we are getting good responses in builder floors.
True. Let's move to the last bedroom.
This is 4th bedroom, sir. Again, different design, different flooring.
True. So this is again tile flooring, is it? Or is it marble?
Tile flooring.
This is tile flooring. So 2 bedrooms are with tile flooring. There are 2 bedrooms with wooden flooring.
Wooden flooring.
Great. Let's
this
take
is
a look.
Connecting to front balcony.
I'll take a look at the balcony as well. What is the size of this room, Mr. Lohia?
Sir, same. All bedroom sizes are equals, only 1 or 2 inch difference.
So I would again like to say, tell to the audience that all the bedrooms are roughly 17 feet by 14 feet, approximately
17, 14, 16, 14 only.
16, 14, which is
Yeah.
approximately 220 to 230 square feet each bedroom. And all the
Yeah.
bedrooms, as we could see, have French windows leading into balconies. How
Yes.
wide is this balcony, and where is this extending up to? Is this the?
Sir, this
Yeah.
is separated balcony.
Uh-huh.
Living dining area separate, and yeah, bedroom and kitchen separate.
And this is the front of the house, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, this is the front of the house.
Okay. And how wide is this road, Mr. Arjun, which the house?
12 meter wide road with
Okay.
3 meter wide green belt, both the side.
Great, great, great. For our audience, would like to say approximately 40 feet wide is the road.
Yeah.
And as we are in the front of the house, what strikes my mind is, what about the car parking, Mr. Arjun Lohia? Anyone who takes up an independent floor, how many car parks are they allotted?
Sir, in 500 square yard, we can do parking for more than 16 cars.
Okay, great.
In 500, more than 16 cars. And
Okay.
in written agreement, we are
Mhm.
giving with every floor 2 car parking mandatory.
Nice. And this whole building has how many floors in total?
Stilt plus 4
Still plus four.
with high speed Steindler lift.
Great.
Yeah.
So let's move inside the fourth bedroom now. We'll move to the dressing room, which is in this bedroom as well.
Yes. Again, we have here closet and then washroom area.
Great.
Uh, we have so much space for storage in this washroom.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom, which is attached to the last bedroom.
Yes. Bathroom area. Both area, shower area divided with glass.
So again, for our audience, we are in the fourth bedroom now. All the bedrooms have their separate bathrooms attached, and two of the bedrooms have a dress-up area as well, along with the bedroom. And these bathrooms come fitted with Jaguar and Kohler fittings. So the bathroom fittings, the electrical fittings, the woodwork which is done is extremely high-end, as we all witnessed. We would be soon moving to the common washroom, which is connected to the living space for all your guests, which is the last section that we are taking a look at right now. Yeah, Mr. Arjun.
Yes, sir. Sir, again, same Jaguar and Kohler fittings.
The most interesting thing is that the tile work is done from top to bottom. So it's not a partial wall getting covered. And the woodwork, the bath fittings, the electrical fittings, everything is high end. It's quite heavy.
Everything is high end, and in every bedroom you can expect a different taste.
Mhm.
Different. One is wooden, other one is dark wood.
Mhm.
Third one is light. Fourth
Mhm.
one is grayish color. So every your requirement, your taste fulfills here.
So, as rightly said, all the bedrooms have a different design to break the monotony. Whichever room you enter, you get a different vibe, a different feel. Everything is designed very elegantly. Uh, in this particular independent 4 BHK floor that we are seeing, located in South City 2, Sector 49, Gurgaon, we have with us Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates, who is one of our trusted partners who have joined us today to take us through this virtual site visit that has been made possible at the click of a button. With you being in the comfort of your house with your family, you can easily watch this house, get a look and feel. If required, Mr. Arjun can always share this link with you so that you can pass on the link to maybe your friends and relatives to get their opinion, to get their suggestions also, and to share
Yes.
your dream home with them. What we are looking at is one of the floors. We will take a look at the building now, which is stilt plus 4 floors. Why don't
Yes.
you talk about the surrounding locations, the connectivity, the facilities around, Mr. Arjun, for our customers?
Hello.
Hanji,
Sir, surrounding location is this is stilt plus 4 floors
ये
and
जो बीच में बिल्डिंग है जो हम देख पा रहे हैं, this is the one, if I'm not wrong, right? This one.
sir, I think this picture is different one.
Okay. I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
let's rotate the camera and see.
I'll tell you
Yeah.
that is same comparatively like this.
Okay. Okay.
uh, that is front balcony. We have changed in that only. Front balcony is divided with into two.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
One is for kitchen and bedroom, and one is for living area.
Great. So.
Stilt plus 4 floors,
Mhm,
one lift,
mhm,
CCTV camera installed around the building,
mhm.
security video door phone system is installed,
Great.
and backside garden area is there. Gardening backside and center of the floor.
Great. So
That
what we just took a look at was at a, 4 BHK independent floor in South City 2, Sector 49. I would again request. So we have a question from Mr. Vyas Ahuja. Sorry, I've joined in late. How much is the area for the house? Arjun, we have Mr. Vyas who has a question. I would request you
sir,
to please.
area is around 3200 square feet with balcony.
And for Mr. Vyas, Mr. Ahuja, don't worry. We will quickly run you through the entire house once again as you've joined late. Nothing to worry. It's just a click of a button that we can take a look at the whole house. I'll quickly run an auto tour, which gives you a complete feel of this particular house. After that, we will move to the location.
This one is entrance, sir.
You can keep talking, Arjun, while the video plays.
Sir, this is dining area.
Mhm.
Just you are entering to dining area, and we can. This is very huge area. We can separate it with family lawn sit out area.
Okay. Okay.
And this one is first bedroom.
Mhm. I'll
Connecting with
pause the video when you say.
yeah. This one is connecting with back balcony.
Mhm,
One dresser area with closet with washrooms.
mhm,
This is back balcony. 6
mhm,
by 48 is the size of back balcony. This one is closet,
mhm.
and that one is washroom. Attached washroom with first bedroom. With designer tiles, Jaguar fittings, cooler fittings, glass partition is there. This one is second bedroom with wooden flooring,
Mhm.
wardrobe, and same. This is also connecting with back balcony.
Mhm.
Designer fall ceiling on fans, complete work. Only you have to take your furniture, movable furniture, and you can shift here.
True.
This is washroom. This one is third bedroom with wooden flooring and one small balcony. This one is washroom for third bedroom. This is living area and connecting with front balcony with designer lights, fall ceiling, fans, complete.
Okay.
Flooring is Italian marble. This is puja room. And this one is kitchen, fully modular kitchen
So just next to the
With-
puja room, we have the kitchen.
Yes.
And this is the fourth bedroom, again with.
This is the fourth bedroom, again with tiles,
Mhm.
connecting with front balcony. And this bedroom also have closet and washroom.
Great.
Yes.
So anyone who has joined late, we are seeing a 4 BHK independent builder floor, which is in South City 2, Sector 49, Gurgaon. And all the 4 bedrooms have a bathroom attached. Then there's a common bathroom, which is in the living area. We have 2 bedrooms with tile flooring. The other 2 are with wooden flooring. Everything is designed very elegantly with high-end bath fittings, woodwork, and electrical fittings. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions in the chat box or the question answer box. We would be more than happy to take those questions for you. We have Mr. Arjun Lohia, who has joined us from Paramount Associates, who have been in the market for the last 5 years, more than 5 years now, and deal in different areas. So I have another question. Is it north facing, Arjun Lohia? What would you like to talk about the facing? आप mute पर हैं Arjun. Please unmute yourself. Hanji.
Sir, this one is east facing, pure east facing.
I hope you were able to hear Mr. Ahuja. This is east facing. Any other questions that anyone has, feel free to drop those in the chat box or the question answer box. We would be more than happy to take those. And we have Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates, who you can always connect with after this call as well if you have more questions, or if you want a property in a different area based on your requirements. I'm sure with this vast experience in this sector and the kind of portfolio they have, they are almost present in all the locations in Gurgaon, including sectors ranging from 49 to 67. We have DLF phase 1, phase 3, Sushant Lok phase 1. And with their experience, with the kind of properties in hand, they definitely would be able to fit something in your requirements. But right now, what we are looking at is a 4 BHK independent floor, which is in South City 2, Sector 49, Gurgaon. If you have any more questions regarding the same, feel free to ask us those questions. We would be more than happy to answer any queries that you have. Post this call, we would be displaying Mr. Arjun Lohia's information on the screen for you to be able to connect. Mr. Arjun, one question that comes to my mind is about the location. Why don't you tell our audience about the location of this house, the connectivity? We were already talking about it when we got interrupted and we started looking at the house again. Why don't you tell us about the location a bit, connectivity, and you know, the surroundings?
Sir, this floor is located in South City 2, walking distance from market. In South City 2, we have market in every block.
Okay.
B block we have, D block we have, then we have Arcadia Market, then we have Unitech Rudy Drive. All market, all commercial area is walking distance from every block.
Great.
So and for connecting, if we are coming from Delhi, then we have to take exit 10 from Rajiv Chowk, and then we'll directly come to South City 2.
Absolutely.
Through Sona Road. Yes. And other connectivities from MG Road, we have connectivity through Golf Course Road. After Golf Course, we have to come to Golf Course Extension, and then we have connectivity from there also.
Great.
In South City. And South City 2 area is adjoining to Nirvana Country area, Rosewood City area, which are very posh area. And South City 2,
posh residential locations are around.
Posh residential location, and South City 2 itself is becoming very posh and full, complete with greenery, gated security, everything is there.
Great, great, great.
Yes.
So as we already heard, it's quite well connected with roads, plus it's adjoining to already existing posh residential localities, which makes it an ideal place for us to find a home. And what we looked at was a 4 BHK independent floor, which is in South City 2, Sector 49, Gurgaon. We have with us Mr. Arjun Lohia from Paramount Associates, who have joined us to take us through the entire property tour, because we understand that it's not easy for us to go and explore all the options in the market considering the current scenario. We at Housing have brought you a virtual site visit at the touch of a button. You could be in the comfort of your home and you could still experience this virtual site visit. In case anyone wants to get a link to this site visit to be able to show it to their family, friends, relatives, you can always connect with Mr. Arjun Lohia. Not just this property, if you want details about more properties, if you want to find a house in other locations in Gurgaon, Mr. Arjun would be more than happy to connect with you post this call, and they can understand your requirements and definitely suggest you a suitable property. So again, in brief, if I could understand, there are enough car parking spaces inside this whole building. There are 4 floors, so it's tilt parking along with 4 floors. What about the terrace access? Does each floor get independent terrace access, or how is it? Just for my understanding.
Sir, in this building, every builder floor have different prospects.
Okay.
Some are divided that into 3 area for second, third, and fourth. And some are divided in single area, that is for 4th floor with terrace rights. This is with 4th floor with terrace right.
Okay.
And 15% area was given to all 3 floors for water tanks, dish TV, antenna, and for any other usage for terrace.
Absolutely fine. So any more questions that anyone has, do feel free to put those questions in the chat box or in the question answer box. We have Mr. Arjun right here with us, who can give us the expert guidance on where else do they operate in, any other requirements that you may have, and whether they can fulfill those requirements or not. In this particular building, the terrace rights are with the 4th floor owner only. However, there is enough space given to each owner in the house to be able to fix whatever basic utilities are required. So if we don't have any more questions, what I would like to do is I would like to conclude the session with Mr. Mr. Arjun talking us about the office. Arjun, अगर आपसे हमारे customers मिलना चाहें कभी भी, to be able to share their requirements with you and to be able to see any properties that you have. So आपका office कहाँ located है, अगर हमें बता दें and हमारे audience के साथ share कर देंगे तो it will be easy.
Sir, my office is located in Golf Course Extension, Sector 50, in Silverton Tower, 5th floor.
Okay.
We are here from last 6 years, and we are team of 7 to 8 people, and more than 3 to 4 years we all are working together.
Great. Coming to the final part, जो इस घर का price है, we saw that the house is quite well designed, well ventilated, well lit. All the rooms are very elegantly done, very well planned, very well thought of architecture, I must say. And the house is located on a 40-feet road, which is well connected with all the prime residential areas, plus the market areas, which is required for any end user. What about the price and anything else? You are on mute, Arjun, if you are trying to speak. Sorry.
Sir, price is for upper ground floor and 4th floor. Price is same, and for center 2 floors, 2nd and 3rd, price is different. For upper ground floor and top floor, they are getting advantage. Top floor is getting 4th floor, and upper ground floor is getting easy connectivity with stairs.
Yes, absolutely.
So the pricing for that is 2.3 for upper ground and top floor, and 2.2 for middle 2 floors.
Great. And over and above this price, बाकी जो चीजें हैं वो क्या क्या included है बताना अगर आप चाहेंगे. And what all assistance will be provided from Paramount Associates to our buyers, अगर आप बता सकें तो.
Sir, first we talk about builder floors.
हाँ जी.
बिल्डर फ्लोर्स में अभी जो भी रिस्पॉन्सेज, जो भी क्लाइंट का इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, वो सिर्फ क्योंकि अभी रिसेंटली FAR बढ़ा है. FAR इज फ्लोर एरिया रेशियो.
जी जी.
अगर आप नॉर्मल हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट में जाते हो सर, तो हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट में आप जो एरिया अगर आप 2000 स्क्वायर फीट परचेज करते हो, तो उसमें आपको एरिया मिलता है अप्रोक्स 1300 to 1400 स्क्वायर फीट. और अगर आप यही सेम एरिया आप बिल्डर फ्लोर्स में 2000 स्क्वायर फीट परचेज करते हो, तो आपको वो अप्रोक्स 1900 और 1850 स्क्वायर फीट मिलता है, जो कि यूजेबल एरिया होता है.
Okay.
Second, different in builder floors and high-rise societies, just security and clubhouse facilities.
True, true.
So in plot society, we have security everywhere in South City, Rosewood, Nirvana. Every gated every society we have gated colony. So security is there, RWA is there.
जी.
Parks are well maintained and clubhouse facilities also coming with different societies.
Oh wow, that makes it the same as buying a house in an apartment then. Sorry, in a
Yes.
gated project.
Gated project, high rise society, group housing.
हाँ बिल्कुल सेम ही हो गया, वैसी ही सारी फैसिलिटीज हमें मिल रही हैं जैसा आप बता रहे हैं. एंड और क्या क्या असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं आप हमारे बायर्स के लिए, अगर आप बताना चाहें तो, बिफोर वी एंड दिस कॉल.
सेकंड सर, रेडी टू मूव इन है. रेडी टू मूव इन में ये जो फिनिशिंग जो टेस्ट जो आप बिल्डर फ्लोर्स में देख सकते हो, वो आप एक हाई राइज सोसाइटी में नहीं मिलता है.
ट्रू.
क्योंकि बिल्डर फ्लोर्स एक इंडिविजुअल आर्किटेक्ट, इंडिविजुअल इंटीरियर डिजाइनर के उससे बनेगा. हाई राइज सोसाइटी में नंबर ऑफ फ्लैट्स होते हैं 1000, 1200, 1400, तो वो सेम चीज नहीं हो पाती.
जी बिल्कुल.
जी सर.
Great. So we got to know a lot about in fact this area, plus the kind of difference that we experience if we buy a house in a gated project, which is a high rise project. And Mr. Arjun was able to very clearly tell us what is the major difference between the two, and how this particular independent floor located in South City 2 competes with any high rise project that you may be looking at. And there is greater freedom, the greater choice, greater flexibility in terms of designing the house or completing the house the way you like it. Great, good to know that. Once again, I would like to thank all the joiners who were on board with us today. I'm your host. I'll be signing off in a while. We will share Mr. Arjun Lohia's details on the screen. Feel free to get in touch with him regarding any questions or any queries about this 4 BHK independent floor in South City 2 Sector 49 today that we saw. And feel free to share your requirements with him. He would be definitely more than happy to guide you with the best possible house that fits your requirements. Thank you so much, Mr. Arjun Lohia, for joining us today. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you so much all the attendees who were here with us today to get this property tour of this 4 BHK independent floor in South City 2 Sector 49. Yeah.
Thank you, Virat sir.
Thank you so much, Arjun.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much once again, all the customers who were joining. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will have the details of Paramount Associates up on the screen just in a short while for you to be able to connect with Mr. Arjun Lohia. Would be more than happy to address any queries that you have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Virat sir. Thank you so much.
So would just like to share that Paramount Associates office is located in Sector 50 Gurgaon. These are the contact details. The number is 999999, which is 6 times 9, 2388. I would again like to announce it's 6 times 9, 999999, 2388. You can also contact Mr. Arjun Lohia on this email ID, arjun.ricc@outlook.com. And feel free to connect with him in order to get this property link that we just saw on WhatsApp or over your email, to be able to show it to your friends, relatives, and family. And feel free to share your requirements in case there is any other kind of house or any other location that you may be interested in. Mr. Arjun from Paramount Associates would be more than happy to address those questions, and definitely will be able to find a suitable home as per your requirements.